Hi guys, you're watching Live Adventures. Out there smack in the middle of day one vlog here in London. Behind us, Hamleys. Yes, the biggest and oldest toy shop in the world. We are going in and we are going to have a lot of fun. Join us for a look around, let's go. What are you doing? Put them back. Shut up. warm.
So hot in there.
So hot, but so worth it. It's Hamleys. Yeah, we've both been coming here since we were little, so it's nice to go around. And it's nice to see like older toys in there as well. Like we've still got like Sylvanian Family and Fisher Price and like the Brio trains and stuff like that. Like really cool stuff. Like you don't really see many other places, so really good. We are back to our day one vlog now, so we'll catch you guys there. We're going to Winter Wonderland next.
Yeah.
Oh no, Harrods. We'll see you there. If this vlog has helped you in any way, shape or form, then you know what to do. There's a button specific for that. Really helps support the channel, and hopefully we'll catch you. What's day 2? Oh, hotel will be next for you guys, probably, maybe, we don't know. We're just making up as we go along today. It's manic.